Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to set up Armod VPN with V2Ray settings for a smoother, faster, and more secure online experience. Before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support us. First, we need to install Armod VPN. This app may not be available on the Google Play Store, so here's how to get it. Open your browser and search for SSHSSL. Click on the official website link. Once you're on the homepage, look at the menu list and click Free VPN. From the list of available apps, find Armod VPN and click the Download button. A new page will open with another download option. Click it, and once the file is downloaded, install the app on your device. Now, let's create our V2Ray server account. Go back to the SSHSSL homepage and click the menu button again. You'll see a list of different server options. Choose V2Ray. On the account creation page, enter any username and password you like, complete the reCAPTCHA, and click Create Now. After a short countdown, your server will be ready. Copy the V2Ray server details to your clipboard. Next, open the Armod VPN app you just installed. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu, then select Import from Clipboard. The V2Ray server will automatically be imported into the app. If you want to make changes, click the pencil icon to edit the settings. On the new page, you can add a valid SNI if you have one, then click Save. Now tap the play button to connect. Within a few seconds, you should be connected to a fast and secure internet connection. You can swipe right to check your connection logs and confirm everything is working perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Armod VPN with V2Ray settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.